Hi everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle MOOC 13. We are in collaborative course design area in which we have created our team project in which we've got a course, a big course, and each of us has added a couple of topics or sessions to it. As you know, my share is technology in EFL classroom, in which I have divided it into 5 weeks. I haven't named the weeks as week 1, week 2, week 3, but since I want to add some badges to it, I need to specify them, that which one constitutes week 1. Here, before raising the sails constitutes my week 1, and you see it includes introduction as a kind of forum, who is with us in this adventure, and then safety online, again another forum, netiquette, a video about netiquette, and screencasting, a way to communicate, and using screencast and sharing people or participants screencasts and commenting on it. So I want to add a badge in which it requires, as you see in the first week, I haven't restricted the tasks because I want participants to feel free to go from this one to that one, to make sure they have learned anything based on their interests. So I haven't put any restriction here, but I want them to go through all of them up to the end of week 1. So let's see. First of all, there is safety online. I want the participants to finish the activities assigned on who is with us about introduction, then safety online. Then what is the appropriate behavior online, and screencasting, sharing information, exploring Screencast-O-Matic and sharing ideas, sharing videos, and so on. So now I want to add a badge here. I should state that I have already created these badges, 5 badges for each week. And then this is my logo, and this is a certificate I have created, but I have already added a certificate generated in the Moodle itself. That's interesting and I loved it, and I also can, create and generate certificate in different websites like Canva or other websites. So let's see how I can add the badge of week 1 to the course. As you see, when I click on badges to subcategory, to tabs, open manage badges and add a new badge. First of all, I should add a new badge, then I go to other badge and to manage badges to give more criteria to it. Of course, in add a new badge, I can assign some criteria. In managing, I can specify more details. Okay. I've got name of the badge, description, and choosing the file. Week 1. Good. For description, I can add a couple of words. This badge is awarded. Oops. For the completion of the activities in week 1. Good, I think that's enough. It's not necessary to explain more. And now the most important part is adding image. I can choose a file. Sorry. Okay. Let's upload this file. Good, it's here. Let's create the badge, but before that, let me go to the name. I would like to add name of this course, Technology in EFL Classroom, and add my own email address, and then see what are other details that are necessary. Okay, create the badge. Now we see that the badge is created with the given name, and now you see that there are 5 tabs here. The most interesting and of course important part for me here is criteria. First of all, I should choose sorry, one of the criteria. Here is activity completion. Okay, now in under activity completion, we've got different activities available in those sessions. I should go and find my own activities. Now that I have found my own activities, one of them is Forum, who is with us in this adventure to the Wonderland as a kind of introduction. I take it. And then sailing and surfing sound, safe and sound for safety online. Another one, of course, it was label. I shouldn't click on it. But forums. Here the label about netiquette. I do not tick labels. Appropriate behavior online, and screencasting, explore screencast-o-matic. These are the activities that I want to be completed up to the end of that week. And then this criterion is complete when all of the selected activities are completed. It can also be set as any of the selected activities complete, but I want it as all. Then the description, I do not add any description. Okay, let's save it and see how we can view the results. Now I need to enable access, but before that, as you see, all of the following activities are completed. You know, the activity completion constitutes these 4 criteria, and then I enable access. Okay, I should confirm it. Continue. Then now I can disable access anytime needed. Now I go to manage badges to see how it looks like. Now in the collaboration course design and managing badges part, we've got several badges already set. The new one is this one. Available to users. Good. The name is here, week 1. The criterion is based on completing all of these activities. The participants so far, no one. I can disable access. I can go to setting and edit it, or copy it, and also I can delete it here. Okay. Now let's go back to the course and see the results. course. Okay, sometimes my computer is not helpful. Let's go to this part, collaborative course design area. The week 1 is the same. Let's see if we can see the badge here on one part. Yes, the badge is here, among other badges, accessible and possible to be seen. Okay, thank you so much for paying attention to my video tutorial. I can add other badges and certificates here again in the same way. And thank you so much. Have a nice time and goodbye.